The big question is Bosnia safe to travel to? Hey you guys! Thanks for joining us on another journey. Today, we're in the former Yugoslavia, actually Bosnia, at a top secret nuclear bunker. It is now a museum, but it's awesome. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. Guys, we're on a top secret mission. I have my friend Army with me. He is a licensed Bosnian tour guide, and his company is Field Bosnia. They are sponsoring this video, and we're going to go to a top secret nuclear bunker. Look at the puppies.
Yeah, they're so cute.
You need a bath.
Definitely.
So the bunker was built in former Yugoslavian time, right?
Yeah.
During the Cold War?
Yes. It was built by our leader, the president of the Yugoslavia, Josip Broz Tito, and some military leaders, generals, and few soldiers. I think actually 300 soldiers could stay there.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's quite large. Even to this day, it's still kind of top secret. Not a lot of people know about it. No more. This is decommissioned, or is this still active?
This?
Yes.
No, it's not active. It's
okay.
Only for visits.
So we are just.
Are you our tour guide?
Yes, I'm a tour guide. I'm Alma.
Alma? I'm Wayne. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Wayne.
Okay. We're walking into the underground, top secret nuclear bunker in Bosnia.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
This is really cool.
Could you have handled being in this for 6 months at a time? You'd lose your mind?
I would definitely lose my mind.
Good world gone bad. Where we stumble around, trying to find or be found in a good world gone bad. A turn on the news, a sad state of affairs. Half the people dying while the rest of us are split in halves. It's a good world gone bad. Believe what I say.
The big question is Bosnia safe to travel to? When I told everybody I was going to Bosnia, they're like, are you crazy? Are you stupid, man? So as I started earlier talking about, is it safe to visit Bosnia as an American? I can tell you this has been a very interesting trip. I've traveled to a lot of different places. You can definitely tell that the people have had a hard past. But,
Even recently.
Well, yeah, even recently.
I mean, in our lifetimes.
Well, yeah, I mean, the war was over in what, 93 or 94, something like that?
Mm-hmm.
Well, everybody's been pretty friendly to me, but, you know, I've been out talking to people and doing stuff too, so, I mean, I went out this morning, got coffee, and a couple people on the street said hey to me as I said hi to them back. You know, I mean, the gentleman at the sandwich shop gave us way too much food. I keep seeing "Do not forget," but the year is different each time. I'm assuming that's from the war, right?
Yes, this is from the last war. 8,372 victims.
Oh man.
Wow.
They say don't forget, and we will
Yes.
never forget.
You can't.
Yeah.
There's no
we
way.
can't. Lots of kids,
Yes.
women, we will never forget.
It is perhaps similar to our 9/11 incident with the
Yeah, but that
towers.
was one day. This was
I know.
years.
I know. I'm just saying. I think of it when I think of the "Don't forget."
Can you
Never
imagine
forget.
this number, 8,000?
That is. Yes, that is astonishing.
Well, on top of all the people that suffered for all those years, having to deal with the fear and all
Yes.
that.
But now everything, as you see,
is beautiful.
Now is everything
Peaceful.
and safe.
Peaceful,
It's
yes.
safe here.
Yes.
We even don't lock our houses. We don't lock. It's always open.
Nice.
Yeah.
When you come, it's always open.
Wow.
It's safe country. When they say it's not safe, it's not true.
Right.
Bosnia and
So
Herzegovina
far,
is
everybody
really
has been
safe
friendly.
people. You can see lots of hospitality here.
Yes.
Yes.
And
I want to thank you guys for watching our video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and like always, thank you for living life.